নমস্কাৰ ছাত্ৰ ছাত্ৰীসকল ষ্টাডি উইথ লিজা নামৰ চেনেলটোলৈ তোমালোকক স্বাগতম জনাইছোঁ। আজি আমি ক্লাছ 8ৰ দ্য গল্ডেন এপলছৰ কুৱেশ্যন এনচাৰ কৰিম। প্ৰথম কুৱেশ্যনটো আছে হোৱাট ইজ এ লেজেণ্ড? এ লেজেণ্ড ইজ এ ষ্টৰী কামিং ডাউন ফ্ৰম দ্য পাষ্ট। হু ৱাজ ব্ৰাগি? হোৱাট ৱাজ হি কল্ড এণ্ড হোৱাই? ব্ৰাগি ৱাজ দ্য ছান অফ অডিন, দ্য কিং অফ অল গডছ। হি sang so sweetly that he was called the god of song and poetry. Who was Eden? Where did she live? Eden was the daughter of a dwarf. She lived in a dark caves beneath the earth. How was Eden different from her father and brothers? Eden was different from her father and brothers. They were bent and ugly. They could never come to the surface of the earth by day, for a ray of sunlight would have turned them to stone. But on the other hand, Eden was beautiful, gentle and kind-hearted. She could come to the surface of the earth by day and no harm could come to her. How were Bragi and Eden married? When Bragi saw Eden, he fell in love with her at once. He took her with him to the home of the gods, Asgard, and they were married there. What was special about the golden apples? Special about the golden apples was that golden apples kept gods and goddesses everlastingly young and immortal. What happened when Loki hit the eagle with a stick? When Loki hit the eagle with a stick, he could not lift the stick from the eagle's body, nor could he let go to the end he was holding. Where did Loki take Eden and why? Loki took Eden to a dark forest to hand over her to the storm giant Thiazi, because he promised with Thiazi that if Loki handed over her to Thiazi, he would free from him. What happened when Eden reached the forest? As they walked among the trees, the storm giant swooped down from the trees and seized Eden, carried her away up over the trees, and took her to his home in Jotunheim. How did the gods feel when Eden had gone? In Asgard, the gods missed Eden very much and wondered where she had gone. Especially Bragi grew sad without his wife, and the gods felt tired and worn out without the golden apples of youth and immortality. Loki had deceived Eden once, then why did she trust him again? Loki deceived Eden once, but she trusted him again because there seemed no other way of returning to Asgard. What happened when Loki flew back with Eden? When Loki flew back with Eden, the storm giant Thiazi saw them. Then he changed himself into an eagle and pursued them. Who were the eagle and the hawk? Which of the two was more powerful? The eagle was Thiazi, the storm giant, and the hawk was Loki, the god of fire. The eagle was more powerful than the hawk. এতিয়া আমি লং কুৱেশ্যনখিনি চাম। Answer each question in about 100 words. 100টা ৱৰ্ডৰ ভিতৰত তোমালোকে প্ৰশ্নৰ উত্তৰখিনি লিখিব লাগিব। প্ৰথমটো আছে describe in your own words the incident of the cooking deer. Once Odin and two of the other gods, Loki and Honir, were traveling through the world looking for adventure. After a long travel, they felt tired. After that, they saw a herd of deer in a valley. They decided to kill a deer and to cook and eat it before taking rest. They tried very hard to cook the meat, but it was not cooked because an evil power in the guise of an eagle was preventing the deer from cooking. Then Honir called to the eagle and asked if he was stopping the deer from cooking. The eagle replied that if they shared the meat, it would cook. After the agreeing, soon the meat was cooked. After that, the eagle wanted to have all the meat for himself. He said that he had cooked it with his own hard labor. Loki was very angry after hearing this. He picked up a stick and dealt the eagle a powerful blow. But he found that he could not lift the stick from the eagle's body, nor could he let go to the end he was holding. This way, Loki became a captive of storm giant Thiazi. How was Thiazi able to carry away Eden and the golden apples? Loki promised with Thiazi that if he handed over Eden and her golden apples to Thiazi, he would free from him. so that he went to Asgard and told Eden that he had found a tree covered with golden apples like hers in a wood near Asgard. Eden would not believe this, so she wanted to see the tree herself. Loki suggested Eden to take her golden apples so that she can compare them with the golden apples of the other tree. After that, she carried her box of golden apples and followed Loki out of Asgard. Soon they reached a dark forest. As they walked among the trees, the storm giant Thiazi swooped down from the trees, seized her with the box of golden apples and took her to his home in Jotunheim. How did the gods come to know where Eden had gone? When Eden was kidnapped by Thiazi in Asgard, the gods missed Eden and wondered where she had gone. Especially Bragi grew sad without his wife. The gods felt tired and worn out without the golden apples, which gave them youth and immortality. At last, they held a council to decide what should be done to find Eden. At that moment, one of the gods said that he had seen Eden go out with Loki, carrying her box of golden apples. At last, Loki had to admit that how he handed over Eden to the storm giant Thiazi. In this way, the gods came to know where Eden had gone. How did Thiazi meet his end? As promised to the gods, Loki changed himself into a hawk and flew to Thiazi's castle. He waited until Thiazi left the castle. After Thiazi left the castle, he flew in through the window and fell at Eden's feet and said that he has come to take her back. After that, she allowed him to say some magic word over her. Loki said the magic words over her and she turned into a tiny nut. Loki picked up the nut in his claws and flew back to Asgard. Just then, Thiazi saw them and changed himself to an eagle. Eagle pursued the hawk. The gods, watching for Loki's return, saw him flying back, closely pursued by the eagle. Then they lit a big fire before the walls of Asgard. The flames rose high. Since he was the god of fire, so he came through the fire unharmed, while the eagle, flying after him, got his wings half burnt and fell on the ground. The gods rushed forward and killed the eagle with one blow. In this way, Thiazi met his end. এইখিনি আছিল দ্য গোল্ডেন এপলছৰ কুৱেশ্যন এনচাৰ। তোমালোকে যদি মোৰ আখৰখিনি ভালদৰে ধৰিব পৰা নাই তেন্তে তোমালোকে মোক কমেণ্ট বক্সত সুধিব পাৰা, মই তোমালোকক উত্তৰ দিম। আৰু যদি ভিডিঅ'টো চাই ভাল পালা তেন্তে লাইক শ্বেয়াৰ কমেণ্ট কৰিব নাপাহৰিবা। আৰু যদি তোমালোক মোৰ চেনেলটোলৈ নতুনকৈ আহিছা তেন্তে মোৰ চেনেলটোত ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰি দিবা। আৰু আজিলৈ ইমানতে সামৰিছোঁ। নমস্কাৰ।